show the parts to be installed. Secure the medium applicator holders onto the main unit using screws. Same method on the other side. Install the poles. Install the acrylic plate. Secure the nuts. Install the filters. Place the vacuum and freezing handle into the corresponding holder and connect it to the main machine. Fill the bottle of the instrument with water before switch on. Pure water or distilled water are both available. Take off the nut and rubber plug from the overflow. Attach the funnel to the inlet. Pour water through the funnel until it starts flowing out from the overflow. Install the power cord. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Press the switch on the front of the main unit. The application of anti-freezing membrane on the treated area abdomen, leg, waist, and chin is necessary. Apply the treatment head on the skin through the anti-freezing membrane to avoid frostbite.